Hey, what's up everyone? I got this vent that's broke and I couldn't repair it, so I wanted to get a replacement for this, but it came as a whole unit, and so this whole thing gets replaced. On the back of this, it looks like you would be able to like just get that vent by itself, and you could just swap, like it looks like it's just held in by these tabs, and you could put a new one on, but I guess it comes as a whole unit. That's what I was told. And so that's what I got. I'll show you my part number. It says the description of the name is called Register, and there's the part number. This is from Toyota themselves. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to replace this, and if you want to take yours out and try to fix it yourself too, this video can be used for that. It looks like it just has these yellow tabs that hold this in, so theoretically this should just pull straight out, and then we'll disconnect the hazard light button or just pop it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. Oh, and the clock too. Can't forget about the clock. I have a nylon, they call it like a nylon pry bar, and this is good for like not damaging interiors or like plastic. So let me see the best spot to kind of pop this out. Right here is a good spot to get started. We got to take these side pieces off, so you just kind of pop it out a little bit and then wiggle it. Wiggling will be your friend, especially with these older cars, because the sun over time makes these quite brittle. Make sure these pink tabs are on there. So we gotta get this side off as well. Maybe open this up and then you can get in here. That one came off a little quick, but now that that's off, we could probably grab this and wiggle it and pull straight forward. Try to get my hand out the way here. Okay, now we gotta disconnect this hazard button and the clock. Here's the clock. There's a tab on the bottom. Just pull this out like that. And then the hazard button, let's see. Probably get to it from this way. Probably get to both of them. The button's right here on the side. Just squeeze it and pull that out. And you probably have to get this guy off too. You could probably just pop them out with a flathead or like a nylon pry bar like this. Just get in there and pop it out. Okay, actually for me, this was just electrical taped onto this tab. I just pull it off and I'll just put the tape back on it, because that thing's in there pretty good. But if you do need to get it out, basically what you do is you squeeze the tabs on the side and then pull it out. So okay, I got this out. Now if you were replacing the clock, what you would do is there's two Phillips right there, one right here, one right there, and you would just unscrew those Phillips, go ahead and pull it off, and then put your new one on and put the Phillips on, and that would be it, and plug it back in. The hazard button, if you want to get this out, there's little tabs on the side, and you just push down and then push this thing out. Can't really see the back one, but these come out real easy. You shouldn't have to like fight that or nothing. See, it just pops out like that. I noticed that my new one comes with a new clock, so I won't be switching that over. But the hazard button, it just goes in like this. Probably, let's see. Yeah, it just pops right in. So so that's easy. So now all I gotta do is just make sure that none of the old yellow tabs are in the holes, and they look fine. I'll put them in, and then yeah, just that'll be it. It's kind of a bummer I couldn't just get this one vent by itself, but I guess that's how they do it. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. You just put that vent back in, and then you gently put your side pieces back in, and that's it. Make sure you connect these, don't forget, and that's it guys. Hope this video helped you out.